How to use slow motion in Capcut. Hi there, today we'll learn how to create your video into slow motion here using the Capcut application. So first thing that you need to do is open your application and click on new project. Look for a video that you want to convert into slow motion or you want to edit into a slow motion video. So you can actually browse from your albums or you can also use the stock videos here in Capcut. So once you have picked a video that you want to convert into slow motion, you just need to add it and you just need to tap that video and make sure the volume is set to 0. And then what you need to do is to change the speed of the video into 0.3. This would make it slow-mo. And for us to make the slow-mo video smoother, what you need to do is to duplicate the video that we have or make a copy and then drag the copy of the video into the lower part of the timeline, so that should be below the original one. And then here you just need to drag it to make sure that it would align to the first video that we have. And then from here, what you can do is you actually need to reduce the copy of the video into 0.1 lesser than the first video that we have. Then once we have adjusted that to 0.1, what you need to do is to click on blend. That's shown on the lower part of the screen. Okay, you can try to preview the video. So once that has been viewed, what you can do is to click on the second video that we copied earlier. And then click on blend, then choose and set it to 30. Then once done, you can just play the video and there you have it. Your video is now converted into a slow-mo video in Capcut. And that's how you do it. You just need to click on export and wait for it to load and you will now have your video slow mode. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.